Practice set 4.1 example number second. Triangle PQR similar triangle LTR. In triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 4.2 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.4 centimeter, PR is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Construct triangle PQR and triangle TLTR such that PQ upon LT is equal to 3 upon 4. या ठिकाणी त्रिकोण ABC आणि त्रिकोण LTR समरूप दाखवलेले आहेत आणि त्रिकोण PQR मध्ये बाजू PQ 4.2 सेमी दिली आहे, बाजू QR 5.4 सेमी दिली आहे आणि PR आपल्याला 4.8 सेमी दिली आहे. म्हणजेच या त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही बाजू दिलेल्या आहेत. त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही बाजू दिल्या आहेत. हा दुसरा प्रकार आहे. जर दिलेले दोन्ही त्रिकोण समरूप असतील आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये एक शिरोबिंदू हा जर सामायिक असेल तर ती रचना वेगळी असते आणि या दोन्ही त्रिकोणांमध्ये R बिंदू हा सामायिक आहे आणि बाजू PQ छेद LT बरोबर 3/4 दिलेले आहे. याचाच अर्थ असा की पहिल्या त्रिकोणाची बाजू PQ ही जर 3 पट असेल तर दुसऱ्या त्रिकोणाची बाजू तिच्याशी संगत असणारी LT ही 4 पट आहे. यावरून पहिला त्रिकोण हा लहान आहे आणि दुसरा त्रिकोण हा मोठा आहे. इन दिस टू ट्रायंगल पॉइंट R is a vertex is common between these two triangle. By given condition, PQ is given 4.2 centimeter, QR is given 5.4 centimeter, and PR is given 4.8 centimeter. First of all, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Hence, PR upon LR is equal to the given ratio 3 upon 4. If we substitute the value PR is equal to 4.8, that is 4.8 upon L is equal to 3 upon 4. Cross multiplication, then we will get LR is equal to 4.8 into 4 upon 3. 4.8 upon 3, that is 1.6 into 4. Hence LR is equal to 1.6 into 4. Then LR is equal to 6.4 centimeter. या दोन्ही त्रिकोणांमध्ये R हा शिरोबिंदू सामायिक आहे. हे दोन्ही त्रिकोण आपल्याला समरूप काढायचे आहेत. पहिल्या त्रिकोणाच्या तिन्ही बाजू आपल्याला माहीत आहेत आणि म्हणून जर दोन त्रिकोण समरूप असतील तर त्यांच्या बाजू ह्या प्रमाणात असतात आणि म्हणून PR भागिले LR ची किंमत आपण दिलेला गुणोत्तर 3/4 आहे. त्याचा आपण तिरकस गुणाकार केला, किंमत टाकली PR ची, याला 4.8 तिरकस गुणाकार केला आणि आकडेमोड केली तर आपल्याला LR मिळते 6.4. ही एक आपली पहिली पद्धत आहे. या पहिल्या पद्धतीनुसार आपण यात दिलेल्या त्रिकोणाशी समरूप त्रिकोण RLT काढणार आहोत. एक्झाम्पल ट्रायंगल PQR. QR is given suppose on this ray point Q, from point Q R is 5.4. This is point R. Take the distance. We have to plot the point P. P is 4.2 centimeter from point Q. Hence, we have take the distance 4.2, and here on this curve the P point is lie on this curve, but we know that we have given that P is 4.8 centimeter from R, hence 4.8. This is the 4.8 centimeter, hence here is a point P. When two arcs are intersect, that point is P. If we join this point P and Q and Q and R, then we get the triangle PQR. QR is 5.4 centimeter. PQ is 4.2 centimeter and PR is 4.8 centimeter. We know that the test of similarity, from this step we can construct the triangle RTL. There are two type example. One is two triangle are completely separate, no common vertex, and second is one is a common vertex between these two circle. We have to construct the triangle PRTL. RTL. Hence, first method, we draw the ray. Here PR. By calculation, we know that LR is 6.4. LR is 6.4. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. We have given the proportion 3:4. PR is given 4.8. By calculation, we have find the LR is 6.4. Hence, take the distance 6.4. Here is a 6. This is the point L. We know that PQR and LTR are similar to each other. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angle are congruent. Hence, angle P and angle L are congruent. We know that how to construct the congruent triangle. Take the common distance. Here is a curve. Same distance. Here is a curve. Take the distance between these two segments. This. And here is a two curve intersecting that point, and this point and this point. Then we get here is a T point. This is first method. Now in second method, Take the distance QR point R. Q is 5.4. This is 5.4. Here is a point Q. QR is given 5.4 centimeter, and from point R, P is 4.8. Take the distance 4.8. From R, P is on that curve, but we know that Q is from Q, P is 4.2. Hence, construct the first triangle by given condition. This point is P. Joint P and R and P Q. By calculation, LR is 6.4, and we know that P and L are corresponding angle. Hence, take the distance 6.4. This is our L point. We know that L and P are corresponding angle. Hence, both angle are congruent. This angle and this angle are congruent, and construct the congruent angle. Hence, take the sufficient distance. Take here. Take the distance between two segment, that is, and mark here. This is intersection point from L and this point. This is our T point. Thus we construct the triangle by another method. This is 4.8 centimeter. This is total. LR is 6.4 centimeter. From these two method, this is one ray, point R. We have given PR is 4.8. Hence here is a 4.8. This point is P. QR is given 5.4. This is the 5.4. On this curve, Q is lie on this curve from P. Q is 4.2. This is our triangle. PQR. QR is 5.4 centimeter. This is 4.8 centimeter, and QP is given 4.2 centimeter. PR is divided into 3 parts, and out of this we have to take the 4 part to construct the second triangle. By given condition we construct the first triangle. This angle and this angle are congruent for divide PR. Hence, take the sufficient distance in compass, same distance, this. Take the distance in compass between these two segments of that triangle, this point and this point. Join. This is another ray. PR divide into 3 parts. Take the sufficient distance which will be adjust on ray RQ and ray start from P. Take the sufficient distance. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3rd. Take the same distance, 1, 2, and 3rd. Mark here point 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Point 3, and here is a 0 point. Here is a 0 point. 0 and 3. 2 and 1. 1 and 2, and 0 and 3. This is the equal part 3. We have to take the segment RL is 4 times. Hence, one part is here. Add in 3 part, then we get 4 part. Here is a point L. Angle P and angle L are corresponding angle of this similar triangle. Hence, both angles are congruent. Hence, this angle and this angle are congruent. Angle QPR take the sufficient distance, this take the same distance. This is the distance between two segments. This is the distance between two segments. These two curves are intersect here, and from this point we construct the segment LT. Thus, we construct the triangle QRP and angle TRL.